convicted in 1984 anti-Sikh riots case by Rouse Avenue Court. A major news coming in the 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. We have with us my colleague Sambhav Sharma joining us on the telecast. Sambhav, what are the latest developments and the verdict that has been announced by Rouse Avenue Court that you could share with our viewers?
Big development in 1984 anti-Sikh riots case. The Delhi court, that is Delhi's Rouse Avenue court, has convicted former Congress MP Sajjan Kumar in 1984 anti-Sikh riots. He was already convicted in another case by the Delhi High Court and currently in jail. And in this case, this particular case of 1984 is linked with the killing of father and son duo in Saraswati Bihar. Well, this case deals with the killing of father and son in Saraswati Bihar on 1st of November 1984. And finally, after a lot of adjournments today, the Rouse Avenue Court has finally convicted Sajjan Kumar of killing father and son in Saraswati Bihar on 1st of November 1984. So these are the latest developments from the Rouse Avenue Court in 1984 anti-Sikh riots case, where Sajjan Kumar has been held guilty and Delhi court has convicted him. Also, the prosecution alleged Sajjan Kumar that he led the mob in Saraswati Bihar, and upon his instigation and abatement, it burned alive two persons and also damaged, destroyed, and looted their household articles and other properties and burned their house. So finally, and a judgment is out by the Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, wherein Delhi court has convicted Sajjan Kumar in this matter. And when Sajjan Kumar was asked by the Delhi court earlier on November 1, 2023, he said in his statement that he denied all the charges against him in
All
this
right,
case.
Sambhav. We also have with us Majinder Singh Sirsa, BJP leader, joining us on the telecast. Sir, in terms of this major development that we are seeing in the 1984 Sikh riot case, now we are seeing that Sajjan Kumar, has been convicted. So what's the next course of action according to you? And what do you think of this verdict that has been announced?
At least life sentence, and we will be also pressing for that he should be given a capital punishment. But one thing is clear that Congress has been saving this person from last 40 years, almost half a decade. But God is there, and with the blessings of God, this case, which was prolonged so many years by giving one reason or another reason, but today it came to the conclusion, and now Sajjan Kumar has been convicted. Most of these cases came up light when the SIT was constituted by the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So today we are thankful to him also for giving us a justice.
Majinder Singh Sirsa, it's an interesting development. How do you think that the people would be reacting to this verdict? Because it's a major verdict that has been announced in terms of this Congress MP being convicted in this case. So how do you think this ongoing...
So there are two views. One, let's see how powerful these people were and how Congress was supporting this in all those years, that they were not even convicted. They were not, the court, the charge sheet was not filed in the court, and Congress was hell-bent upon saving them. And second thing, that when you do something like this, today or tomorrow you have to pay for that. And people must be seeing that how Congress tried to save them, and they have tried their level best to save them, but they were unable to save them. At least the justice has been delivered. And today, one thing is clear, that in this country, if you do this kind of thing, today or tomorrow you have to pay for that.
All right, Majinder Singh Sirsa. Adding to that, I also want to talk to you, what are your take on how do you think that Congress, in terms of this case, what is your reaction, how this next course of action could be? Hello. All right, we also have with us Sambhav Sharma on the telecast. Sambhav, as we were talking about the case, it's a major development in this anti-Sikh rights case. But what do you think would be the next course of action for Sajjan Kumar in terms of now that he'll be serving a life term and in this case? So what will be the next course of action for him?
Well, yes, he's already serving a life sentence given by Delhi High Court in another case related to the same 1984 anti-Sikh riots, and he's already in jail in that case. And now conviction in this case would add to the problems to Sajjan Kumar, as in no way he is going to come out of jail in this particular Saraswati Bihar case, and it is to be seen what quantum of sentence the Delhi court is going to pronounce in the next state of hearing, probably in a week or so. We'll have to see the quantum of the sentence given by the Rouse Avenue Court, which it will deliver shortly on the next date of hearing. But for now, it's a big development in 1984 riots case, anti-Sikh riots case, because many a times the court had already the judgment was already reserved by the Delhi court, that is Delhi South Avenue Court, but many adjournments happened in the past, and finally on Wednesday, that is today, the Rouse Avenue Court has come up with a judgment and convicted the Sajjan Kumar, and this is what is the latest in this case.
All right, Sambhav, in terms of the court's observations, what were the court's observations that you could share with our viewers?
Well, when conviction happens, generally the court gives a one-liner answer and a one-liner reply. And here also, it's a one-liner that he is convicted under the charges wherein he was accused of instigating the mob in 1984 anti-Sikh riot, that is 1st November 1984, and because today was the day of the conviction. The court has come up with the conviction. Now it is to be seen when court comes up with the order. We will have to read.
In 1984, Sikh genocide. Now this is a case involving the murder of Jaswant Singh and his son Tarandeep Singh. Now this case was closed by the police. It was reopened after this Modi government appointed SIT in 2015. This case was reopened. Now we are so grateful to the court. We are also grateful to the public prosecutor Manish Rawat and the IO Jagdish Kumar, who worked very hard on this. I am also grateful to my colleague Kamra Bora and Gurbakh Singh, who have also worked very hard on this. Now on 18th February, the court will pronounce the sentence.
So it has been a long-drawn battle for you.
That is true. In fact, after such a long time, justice though has no meaning, but it doesn't mean that these guilty should go scot-free. They should be punished, and this will also send a message to other people in the country that if you are in the power, don't think you can get away after committing such heinous crime. A day will come when you will have to face the law.
Sir, in what section he has been convicted, sir?
All right, viewers, that was the latest that we were tracking in the anti-Sikh riots. Major development. Sajjan Kumar has been convicted by special CBI court. We'll continue to track further developments, but meanwhile, viewers, that's a wrap for the bulletin. We'll slip into a short break.
बीमारी हुई तो पता लगा कि हॉस्पिटल का बिल ऑफिस